Yo, it's Silly Dilly, and today we're gonna be making panini. So I'm taking you to Panini Town. Southwest, turkey, bacon, avocado sauce, and a green chili bagel. Panini on a bagel, what? Stay tuned. Alright, so we got our guacamole sauce, and that's gonna be delicious in this panini. So what we're gonna do, I got 1 elephant garlic, I chopped it up. 1 shallot, chopped it up. 1 serrano, chopped it up. Get you an avocado. Get your knife, go right down. Make sure they're ripe. Okay. And then, come over here. And just lightly do that. Don't have to be perfect because our little magic bullets don't do all the work for us. Boom. Just go around. Put that in there. Same thing. Put that in there and we'll do one more. Alright, so y'all, this sauce right here, it's almost gonna be like a guacamole, but it's gonna be a little more spreadable compared to a guac. So I'll put all that in there. Don't miss. Avocado expensive, y'all. That's why Chipotle charges you $37 per side. That's the way it works. That's the way it works. Avocado expensive, y'all. Save your money up for your avocado. All right, I'm gonna put that all in there. Press it down. Rinse my hand real quick. All right, so now what I'm gonna do, this is a sriracha almost, but it's a chili sauce. Got a little bit of garlic. We'll do 1 teaspoon of that. Some sour cream. We'll do about 2 tablespoons of that. There we go. And now season. To the side. Seasoning salt. About 1.5 teaspoons. Some fresh cracked pepper. Finish it off. 1/2 lime. I promise y'all, this is gonna be the best damn sauce you put on anything. All right. I'm gonna go ahead and blend that up, and it's gonna be amazing. Need a little bit more liquid. All right, stay tuned. We're gonna put the rest of that lime. All right, y'all, so magic bullet, not so magic. So we gotta put a little bit of extra liquid. We did the rest of that lime and a little bit of water. I'll take it off, give it a shake, and we'll do one more blitz. I think it's good now. So what you want, like I said, it's not a guacamole sauce. So what you want is like, it needs to be spreadable. So I'm gonna go ahead and try that. It's got that heat, baby, from the serrano and the chili garlic sauce. So I think this is delicious. It's gonna go great on a panini. And it's spicy, y'all. So get you a magic bullet, or you could just do a regular blender, but that's gonna be good on anything. You can put that on steak, fajitas, burritos, eggs, I don't care what it is. That is fire, fire. We're gonna throw this in the fridge. That's why you don't leave stuff open. And we gonna do the not fries, we're doing chips. Show you how to make some homemade chips. All right, homemade chips. What you want to do, get you a mandolin, or you can slice with your knife. That'll take a lot longer, but with the mandolin you can just literally go down like this. And make sure you put some good pressure so you have like full on chips. And once it gets to the end right here, a mandolin will literally cut your finger off, and that is no bueno. Okay, grab your guard and just So like this, so you don't lose a finger. We want to live another day, y'all. These are like Lay's potato chips, the thin ones. They're not gonna be perfectly oval like a Lay's potato chip, but that's why they make them. And I don't, y'all. And we'll go ahead and do this again. We'll go ahead and finish this up, y'all. And I'll be back. Here we go. All right, so got us some thick cut bacon. It's the right brand, right, not the left brand. It's about $6 for a pack like this, so it's not pretty cheap like Oscar Mayer. If you want to get that, go for it. But this is going to be one of the stars of the turkey bacon panini. So we're going to go ahead and make sure these are cut halfly so they fit in the sandwich. And we're going to fry these up so they're nice and crispy. So I know y'all know how to do some bacon, so stay tuned. I'll let you know when it's done, and then we'll move on to frying the chips. All right, so while our bacon's going, we're gonna multitask here. You're just gonna wanna get some hot peanut oil. Yes, I like peanut oil, it's pretty neutral. And it fries well at a high temperature. So we're just gonna go ahead and put some chips in there. And make sure you grab your basket and start separating pretty quickly because they will stick together. And if they're stuck together, whatever, not a big deal. You just want to avoid it as much as possible. So we're gonna let those go for about a minute and a half, and we'll put those in a strainer, some paper towels, and then we'll toss them in some seasoning. So yeah. Some seasoning and salt. And we're gonna do garlic jalapeno. Then simply toss it around. Perfectly done chips. All right, so we went to the deli, got some freshly cut pepper jack cheese, and this is peppered turkey, smoked turkey. What we're gonna do is get your bagel, that's green chili and cheddar. If you don't have green chili where you are, just get a jalapeno because I know they have that there. So we're gonna spread this sauce. Don't be cheap on the sauce, y'all. And do that on both sides. Do one piece of cheese. Some turkey, and we're just gonna probably do it in half like that. About that. So grab 3 pieces of bacon and another piece of cheese. Am I missing anything, Dalton? I don't believe so. No? All right, let me do one more and then we'll put it in the panini press. Stay tuned. This would actually be a good bagel itself, just right here. Panini's nice and golden brown, baby. You know what time it is. Time to eat some Southwest paninis. All right, so we look at it. Perfectly toasted. Kind of looks like a waffle if you ask me. We're gonna go ahead and try this, so cheers up, y'all. That avocado sauce. No wonder Chipotle charges $37 for it. Crispy chip. And this is probably the best lunch meal you could probably have ever. Hands down, delicious. Bacon makes everything better. Smoked turkey, and then pepper jack. Love it. But thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button. And tell me what you want to see next. Love y'all. Bro, this is like sex. And for you underage youngins, like Fortnite.